All right, so we're gonna get right into it. First exercise is lateral pull downs. This is really going to work the upper part of your back. Going to give you a nice shapely back for those nice dresses for the spring and summertime. We're going to do 3 sets of 15 reps. Next are scapular twist. When you do this, you want to make sure that you're turning and pulling down. You're going to feel it right in the middle of your back. That is very hard to reach with the other exercises, but this hits that back right. Next, we're going to do 1 arm lateral pull downs. This is going to just isolate one side of your back to give you more of a burn and sculpt. And then I'm just showing you the other side as well. All right, now we're going to do some bent over barbell rows. I did this entire workout on the cable machine. So if you have this at your gym, you can do this workout. This is really going to work the back as well. Next, these are going to work your arms. They're just regular bicep curls, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps each. Next, we're going to do 1 arm face pulls. This again is working the back. So make sure when you're doing this, you're going to really squeeze your back muscles to get the most out of the exercise. Next, we're going to do some shoulder raises. Of course, you want to have nice sculpted shoulders with your back as well, because it just kind of keeps everything, uniformed and together. And this is how this exercise looks from the back. This is a quick view of how my workouts look, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you next one, you guys. Bye.